As you can see, over the years, I have done a fair amount of microphone collection, but we've never talked about the best all-around microphone for content creators that you should buy until today. My name is Patrick. I am a husband, a dad, a human, and a creator living in New York City. And on this channel, we talk about all of it. So let's get into it. So if you've just signed up for Instagram, or you're starting a YouTube channel, or you want to become TikTok famous, at some point you're going to want to up the level of your audio. Pun intended, totally planned that. If you're looking for a microphone, there are tons of options to choose from. For instance, there's a ton of just USB-C mics, like this Rode NT USB Mini, a great microphone. It has a USB-C port on the back that will plug into your iPhone, your iPad, your Mac, or your PC, but it only plugs in via USB-C, and it's about $100. But this is a $70 microphone, and I tend to stick with this guy right here. It's the Samson Q2U. It also plugs in via USB to a Mac, PC, iPad, or iPhone, but it also has an XLR jack, meaning it has a regular microphone input and output. So it can not only be plugged into all of those iOS devices and those computers, but it can also be plugged into any old regular audio console. And then we come to like the on-camera microphones like this Rode Video Mic Go 2. Again, $100, plugs into your camera, plugs into your PC, plugs into your Mac, your iPhone, or your iPad using its 1/8" input or its USB-C port. All of these are great. $99, $70, $100. If you are looking for a desk microphone, I would suggest the Samson Q2U because it also comes with an XLR cable, a USB cable, and a stand and a little windscreen here. It's a great value microphone that also sounds incredible. All of these options are good. But if you are a content creator and you're looking to spend money to up the level of your content, to up the quality, don't start with video, start with audio. Because if someone is watching your content and it looks okay, but sounds great, they'll keep watching. If they're watching your content and it looks super crispy because you've invested in camera gear, but it doesn't sound good, they will click or swipe away. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. So if you're looking to make an upgrade your audio. And these options are good, but if you're looking for an all-around great purchase microphone for any content creator, look no further than the DJI Mic. Now, I just picked this up. I've been using it for a little while now. You can see it's clipped right onto my sweater here. It's an incredible microphone. And I've got a whole nother video that talks about the specifications of this versus the Rode Wireless Go 2, which you can watch if you'd like, but I really quickly want to tell you why this is the best mic for content creators. First and foremost, let's get price out of the way. It's $330. And you're thinking, oh my gosh, for one microphone? Well, no.
Treat yourself.
It's actually two microphones. When I open up this case here, you see the receiver, you see a transmitter, and another transmitter would be here, but it's right here. These transmitters allow you to plug any microphone into them.
Wow.
So here I have a little lav microphone. I plug it into this transmitter. I clip it to my shirt. I'm recording audio. This audio records right onto the transmitter itself. But what if you don't have a microphone? You mean I gotta go buy another microphone, Patrick? No, you don't. As you can see here, this transmitter is a microphone itself. You can put a little windscreen, a little dead cat on the top of it, clip it to your sweater or what have you, or you can use this little magnet like I'm using right now to clip it to anything else, like that. And I've got the microphone right here and I'm talking into it. So these transmitters are super, super powerful. When they're on my shirt or what have you and I'm recording to them, I simply press one button, it records to itself and it's capturing audio. And you have two of these. So if you're doing an interview and you want one person to hold one of the transmitters and you hold the other one and simply talk like this, or even set it right down in front of you and record audio, it's going to sound phenomenal. It's going to capture that audio right onto the transmitter. And then you plug that transmitter via USB-C into your computer, get the audio and add it to your project. But it also comes with, the DJI Mic, comes with this receiver. And this receiver can also receive audio from these transmitters. Transmitters record to themselves, but they also, at the same exact time, send whatever audio they are capturing to this receiver right here. And this receiver can plug into anything. It can plug into a camera. It can plug into any device that uses USB-C. You see this little USB-C clip here that I can connect to the DJI Mic receiver, it also has a lightning connection. So this plugs right into your iPhone or your iPad that has a lightning connection or your iPad that has a USB-C connection, and it will capture the audio from one or both of these transmitters, which you can then edit later in whatever software you're using to edit audio. And then, as if that is not enough, this receiver can also use this USB-C port to plug into your computer and capture audio from these transmitters right into whatever digital audio workstation or DAW you're using. Logic, GarageBand, a Zoom meeting or an Ecamm live stream, all of that audio can be captured from this transmitter into this receiver and then plugged into your computer to be used with whatever digital audio workstation or conferencing application or live streaming application like OBS that you could ever dream of.
They're in the computer?
So all options are available to you. So right out of the gate, you can spend $100 on something like this or $70 on something like this, but you are limited in application. You are also limited in portability. This setup, it looks great, but putting all of this into my bag, not functional, not as portable as I would like it to be. But this, right into its case, obviously fits into my bag very easily. And by the way, this case recharges both the transmitters and the receiver while they are plugged in. So you have a full battery every time you pull this thing out of your bag, ready to go and ready to be used. Total sidebar, but since you can plug these little transmitters into your computer using USB-C and they capture audio right onto the transmitters themselves, they can also be used as little flash drives. So not only are you walking around with two great microphones that sound great that you're hearing right now and this receiver that receives audio from those microphones, but you also, when you purchase the DJI Mic, you receive two little flash drives that I believe, if I'm correct, are 8 gigs a piece, which can really help you out in a pinch if you're running out of storage or on the go, you know, creating a project on the go with your friends. It's just like a nice little feature that they probably didn't even think about when they created this, but you can use them as flash drives. If you are a creator that is looking to take your content to the next level, sure, you can go out and buy lights, but remember, you can also stand in front of a window where natural light is pouring in. Whatever you film in natural light is going to look great. You might be thinking, I want my video to look great, but don't forget, there's already a great camera in your pocket. The iPhone shoots in 4K, and entry-level cameras beyond the iPhone cost hundreds of dollars. If you're looking to take your content to the next level, start with audio. And sure, you can go out and buy one of these microphones and be really, really happy. But if you're looking for a full solution that can go anywhere with you because of how portable it is, that's easy to use, that works right out of the box, look no further than the DJI Mic. But your content creation journey doesn't end here, it begins here. You gotta remember, watch this video.